We're going inside the cars. Worst race cars ever. Good, good. Ooh. Oh! Ooh, I thought we were just gonna lose the bumper there. Worst race cars ever. What the fuck is going on? Whoa! Huh? At some point you gotta stop, you know? Oh. Ooh. Wait, did that knock off his... Oh! Did that knock off his visor? Oh, he just never had one. It knocked off his glasses. Because I was like, damn, he almost, like, that would have knocked some people out. Like, the way you fucking... Good thing you got a helmet on. Jesus, man. He fucked up his mirror. Like, come on now. Jesus. Is he still moving while the hood's up? Surely not. Oh! Absolutely, he was pissed. I mean, I don't blame him. I wonder if, like, the braking or, like, some shit inside the car just goes wrong in some of these moments. Oh! Because they are race car drivers. Like, professionals? Yeah? Professionals, yes. Don't try this at home. Yeah. Surely, oh, like that, you know? That is the car's fault. That's not entirely their fault. Oh, what the fuck? Yo, wait! Whoa! Jesus! That is terrifying. Holy fuck. What an event to take place. Ooh, those... Ooh. It almost had it, man. It was almost clean. What the fuck? That was a tractor. That was just a juiced up tractor. Holy shit. Oh. Ooh. Dude, I want to watch some soapbox racing. Is that what it's called? Dude, we should watch some of that. Probably pull some up after this. Oh. Oh, Jesus. The hood, the bumper just all eaten. He's like into... He's got the Punisher for a reason. Jesus, the man just wanted to keep going. Shit. People are so crazy, like, where people are standing and filming on some of these races and shit. Just like guarding rails and, oh man, these events are... You couldn't catch me at one of these events, that's for goddamn sure. He's still just driving. Fuck, dude. I'm getting nervous just watching him. Ooh, the big wheel drift. Jesus, man. Not a good day for racing. Oh! Oh, Jesus! Oh! Oh no, that's a travesty. Oh, that's gross. Jesus. Come on now. Oh, you gotta do that. Yo, I kinda like that car. Oh, it's fucked now. Ooh! Jesus, he's smoking. This is some like GTA type shit. I've only seen this much in like GTA. Holy moly. Oh. The drone's wiped out. Oh. I want to watch some of those races. That's what I want to watch. Just two people on a race car that looks like it shouldn't be racing. Oh my fuck. Huh? Is he gonna catch on fire? Or is he just gonna throttle too fast? You got that nice car and it just don't even take off. Ooh, ooh, almost saved. Yo, are they chilling, watching on a roof? Okay, you might catch me at this event. On the roof? That's my type of event right there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hell yeah, that's sick. Seems unsafe as well, but you know. It is what it is. Oh my fuck, he just used his own wheel as a ramp. Ooh, Jesus. Ooh, nearly. Nearly. Oh, ooh. Yeah, we out here farming and shit. You know? Good lord. Ooh. Oh my god, so close, man. These are nail biters. No. I should just know that's gonna go bad, though. We're on FailArmy, of course. I like the colors. The black, the blue, the white. Mostly blue is what I'm interested in. And that poor cameraman. Yeah, there he was. Oh! You just took some people's shins out. Those things are pointing like daggers, too. Oh, and now the whole race is gone, dude. Ooh! Ooh. He had to let the whole fucking stadium know. I got the footage. I'll be selling it. $5. $5 an airdrop. Jesus fuck, man. Zooming. Calm down, doggo. Another race? Let's get it popping. Surely the Mustang will win this. What is it even going against? What is that? I don't know cars. Oh my goodness. Is that an AC on the front of his car? Looked like it. This is like a grill thing. Jesus. Man, this really makes me not want to drive for like, you know, another week. My weekly drive has been ruined. Oh. Oh. Even that tiny's... Damn, that didn't seem like it was that big of a bump into, but damn. I guess at those speeds, in those cars, like, any bump is a pretty big bump. Ooh, shit. Oh my goodness, that black car is almost like flying and just in air. Turn on the GTA flying cheats. Like, come on now. Like, cars be flying, brother. Oh my goodness. What even was that? Is this a high-speed rock or some shit? Yeah, oh my goodness. That moved as fast as like a bullet. Imagine that goes through. Like, that would have done some damage. Racing against this little smart car, huh? What the fuck? Gas, gas, gas. Jesus. Oh my god. And now he's just stuck in the middle of the rail. Oh my fuck, what is that thing? Oh. Broken. Broken is what it is. What the fuck? Somebody brought the taxi to the race. The fuck? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, the save. That was in the middle of the... This is like a middle roadway. Just like... We're in a normal place. This isn't no racetrack or anything. This is just out in public. Holy shit. What a save out in there, though. He just ate that man's back bumper. Oh, another in public. Oh, these are even worse. Ooh. All that rain. What the fuck is that car? Jesus. Everyone's safe. We're good. Everyone's good. You knew. Oh? Oh. Jesus, look how many people are on that side of the hill. Jesus. I realize how many people love watching racing. There's a lot of people at these fucking events. Oh my goodness. So close to the fence. I don't know how people go to like race. Like after seeing this, I know this is like what they're going to see, but dude, this is just like it's not for me. It's not for me. Races are just not for me. Oh, instant. Shit, man. As it feels bad. Oh, that tire like bent. It was like bicycle tires though. Huh? Oh! Good thing he had a helmet. Jesus, that man was straight tap dancing on his head. His head dancing. This was not right. Jesus. There's no way that man's not dizzy. Dizzy and just sore everywhere. I wonder what the pain feels like after a day of this. Like, like I just had the boxing, like, after workout, you know, day after working out fucking thing. First time in a while that's what I'm trying to say. First time in a while working out, like, day after feeling. I wonder if it's like close to that feeling where you just like feel absolutely depleted, deflated, just disgusted, like everything hurts, every movement. I would assume so. Like, you saw that fucking, look at the way this man flipped. Let me see it again. Who was it? Him. You. Any of these really. Just getting like, cause your body's just getting fucking jerked. And your head, like, no. These boys aren't good. They're not good. Oh no. Oh no indeed. Oh. Jesus, man. As if the final destination truck wasn't enough to keep me off the roads.